Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with PwC, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to budget is essential for managing your finances effectively. Start by determining your financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term and long term. This could include saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or planning for retirement. Next, gather all necessary financial information. Collect your income sources, including salary, bonuses, and any side hustles. Then, track your expenses. List all fixed costs, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Once you have a complete view of your income and expenses, compare them. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Consider using a budgeting method that suits your style. The 50/30/20 rule is a popular choice. This method allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Another method is zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned a specific purpose. Choose the method that resonates with you and fits your financial habits. Now, create your budget. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or even pen and paper. Be realistic about your spending limits. Include a category for savings to ensure you're prioritizing your financial future. After you establish your budget, monitor your spending regularly. Review your finances weekly or monthly to ensure you stay on track. Adjust your budget as necessary for any life changes. Staying motivated is essential to achieving your financial goals. Lastly, revisit your budget periodically. As your income or expenses change, adapt your budget accordingly. This will help you remain aligned with your goals and maintain financial stability. By following these steps, budgeting can become a simple and rewarding process. Implement these strategies with PwC's guidance to take charge of your financial future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.